Okay, so as we're changing over from one decade to the next, I wanted to run something by you which you may or may not be aware of. But as with most things on a ship, everything has a life. It operates in a very, very harsh environment, and it can take a real toll on these systems. Propellers, I mean, if it's a fixed pitch propeller, you're expected to get 20, 30 years out of it, which is a great deal for your investment. Once you start getting into these folding propellers or the feathering propellers, they have moving parts and they have teeth that need to rub together. So they do have a shorter working life. Now, Bruntons, and this is one of the reasons I love representing them in the US, all their stuff is over-engineered. The teeth are over-engineered so they can crush barnacles. The Autoprop, we make our own bronze. You know, it's a super stunning. See, it's a different colour. It's 40% harder than regular bronze, so it keeps the L shape. So all this over-engineering gives you a great product, but it also gives you a product that lasts a long time. Now, Autoprop here, I've got propellers that have been in service for nearly 25 years. If you look after them, these things really can last you a decade or more. So something to think about. If you'd like to find out about the propellers and if your boat is a fit or your type of sailing is a fit for our propellers, give us a call. We're in Virginia Beach, 757-739-2050 is the number. Or you can drop us an email or visit the website. Thanks now.